Hello everyone, let's download Metasploitable 2. In the address bar, type Metasploitable 2 and click. In the first link, you will be seeing Metasploitable download. We get inside and click the downloads. Within a few seconds, the download action will be observed. So you see in the corner, our download has actually started. It will take some time. Let us wait for that moment. Dear students, our Metasploitable is being downloaded. It was in GIF format. Unzip it and you will get it like this. Afterwards, you open it and see this is a blue icon. This is actually virtual machine icon. So if it is okay, so we can understand that our download is complete. Now open the virtual box. In the tab, click new. In the name, type Metasploitable 2 or anything that you want. It is better you write something that is identical to that operating system. And select the type Linux and the version other Linux. And this is 64-bit, so I choose and select next. 512-bit and use existing virtual hard disk file. Click here and go to this add button. Select where we have downloaded the virtual box. I mean the Metasploitable 2. Select it, select the blue icon, click open. Now it will be accepted. Now select it and click on choose and click next. Click finish. Now click start. Within a very few seconds, it will start the machines. Dear students, Metasploitable 2 is actually a vulnerable machine that is actually developed for hacking practice. Since we cannot really attack a real target, that's why Metasploitable is being developed. It is a Linux based and a vulnerable machine. So give us some time, it will load. We are observing that within a very short time, this Metasploitable 2 is being loaded because it is actually a text based and it is made a lighter versions, so that actually it don't get lot of times to get installed. So after it gets installed, it will show us a banner like this Metasploitable 2 and ask for the user ID and password. The user ID and password is actually written in this banner. You see this MSF admin. So I am typing it MSF admin. The password is also MSF admin. Press enter and press ifconfig to know the IP address of these targets.